Hello everyone and welcome back to your channel Cyberpunk Academy, and for this video we will be showcasing an information gathering tool for Linux, which is Infosploit. It is a tool that is known for collection of emails, subdomain finder, which is subdomain enumeration, reverse IP lookup, host DNS finder, and for snooping of robots.txt file. All you have to do is proceed by entering your DNS and then search. Now, to get the tool, all you need is your Google Chrome browser or Firefox or whatever browser that you actually use, and in your search bar just type GitHub followed by the title of the tool, which is Infosploit, and then there will be results. Click on the first link, which is the cybernetics link, and then all you have to do now is copy the URL, and after copying the URL, then all you need to do is open a terminal in the Linux machine and proceed by creating a folder or your directory where you will be pasting the tool. Then navigate into that directory and git clone the tool into that git clone. Now the tool is cloning, you have to wait for it to be completed. After cloning, then we will proceed by doing the final methods, and if there are requirements to be filled, then we fill a requirement and then proceed with installation. Now, as you're seeing now, the tool is currently installing, which is actually cloning from GitHub. It has a specific number it has to reach. Now it has been done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to list, and after listing you can just type in cd, which is to change directory, and proceed by copying the name of the directory and pasting it in there, or you can just type it word for word. Make sure you know that it is case sensitive. After that, you just proceed and list the content in there, and after that all you have to do is follow the bash command by using the sudo dpkg-i, which is to install files directly as administrator in your PC. This is a deb file, so we are going to install this deb package with sudo dpkg-i followed by the package name all in one. Proceed by your sudo password. Mine was, the username was overkill, so I did enter my sudo password, and then it will unpack and process the triggers, and after that it will actually install the application for you, and we good to go by then. So let's see. Now I just have to type in the name of the application because it gives it will actually paste it in there and then list, and I have to do something here, which is to use the /install for a bash file. I have to fix in this bash file also. / followed by sudo, which is for the superuser privilege, /install, and now it has been completely installed. All I have to do now is enter in the search box Infosploit, and that should give me an application now, which is this, and it will give me the user interface, which is this, and then I think I'll be selecting the option which is 15 for collection of email. There is another option for 16, which is subdomain finder. So whatever use you want to do, you just enter the number, and for that, after that, I have to enter the subdomain, which is usl.edu.sl. That was what I entered, and then it will start initiating its modules starting from the alpha. It has 3 phases, and then after that it will be giving you result. So now we are at the beta phase, and now the gamma module initiated, then it will start giving us result. These were the emails I found, and these were the host names I found in the site. I could just click continue or actually enter and exit to actually quit it. These were the hosts found and the search engine, and most of them were working, but some had administrative lockouts that I can't access without using something like a VPN or their IP address. So I would try to paste the link I copied from one of the hosts that we are given, but I had an error because it was forbidden. Access was denied because I was not like in their range. I was not in their range, so I was blocked out. These were the host name which we are given, and there were emails given also. These were emails by most of the users in the site that we are actually registered in the site. These were their names, their emails. I could actually get information from these names right now by looking them up for people related to that or having names like that, and I will then enumerate to find user, and from there I can do a basic social engineering like befriending person and then getting information from that individual. So that's all for today. Be sure to like, subscribe, share. Stay blessed, stay positive, stay cosmic, and comment if you have any issue, and we will be replying to you in less than a minute. Stay safe. Peace.